All right, I know that there's music, so this will probably get cut out anyway, but this is me, Bill Zanetti, and I'm here at the river, the lazy river, the river of the gods, depending on which sign you look at. This river, sacred to the Taino tribes, was explored by the British scientist Robert Herman in the 17th century. Anyway, long story short, there's a lazy river at a port in, this is Puerto Plata, and Virgin will stop here for the Dominican days. There are also, I'm sure, other cruise ships that stop here. It's actually a very nicely built up port, probably one of the better ones in all of the Caribbean. And this lazy river is entirely free. You do not pay for rafts, you do not pay to enter, you don't pay for access. This is all just included with any ship that docks here, so it's kind of neat. So anyway, I'm going to take you on the River of the Gods. You do have to use an inner tube for this lazy river, and the inner tubes are pretty simple. Here's one. I'm going to get in. Simple enough. We will cast off into the unknown. Way! There are some other people on here. The sign says it's 20 minutes. We'll see how accurate that is. Evidently there are some critters. Now I'll talk about this port as we're on the lazy river, so you kind of get an idea of what you're getting yourself into should you decide to get off the ship at Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic. Now again, this is a specific port that not all ships will get to. Carnival ships, for example, have their own port, and you generally do not port at Puerto Plata. It'll say Puerto Plata on your itinerary, but you actually port a little bit farther away. This one is actually better. You can actually walk to the town from here, and I wouldn't recommend that with Carnival's version of the port because it's a little farther away. I am going to try to speed up the lazy river by paddling a bit. Also, this is worth mentioning, Dominican Republic has amazing scenery. Like, there is a mountain over there with beautiful clouds coming over the mountains, so. Our first interesting thing in the river, we have a capsized boat. Looks like a kraken has gotten to it. Oh, giant squid, giant octopus. Never seen one of those before. Oh, well. Oh, my feet. Hello, feet. Oh, I should have cut my nails. I have 10 left. Ah! Oh, my Target special bathing suit. Here we go. There are stores over there. Oh, look, it's Del Sol. It's all your favorite stores from the Caribbean, all owned by Diamonds International, the conglomerate. Oh, that's not a scheme or anything. Anyway, here we go. This is an interesting piece on a lazy river. You usually don't see ropes courses thrown into a lazy river, but hey, anything goes in the Dominican Republic. So you grab a rope and pull yourself along the river for this part. And there's an emergency exit, which kind of defeats the purpose of a lazy river, to get on and get off whenever you want. Uh-oh. I'm going to go into the dark, dark tunnel. Watch your head. Maximum height 5.75 feet. What will we find in here? Oh no! Oh no! There are little eyeballs and little sparkly lights. Okay. That's kind of funny. Well, that's one thing. Oh, here's another waterfall. Can't get near it though because there's a rope. Here's some abandoned tubes. That's okay. Ooh, here's our first warning sign. It is said that this river is the home of divine creatures. Please sail with care. Hello, unsuspecting visitors. You're going to be on YouTube. Say hello. Oh no, there are ants. They're everywhere. The giant ants. Oh no. Oh, that's like falling apart. Oh, that's not safe. There's the other side of that giant palapa that we just went under. It's a mojito bar. Oh, that's kind of good. These walls are like weird. It's like there's cement, but they're like
have leaves built into them. Oh, here's another one of these. These branches, I don't think you're supposed to pull on them, but everybody is, and yeah, they're kind of like falling down. Whoa. One of these could strangle somebody. Oh no, there's spiders now. Maybe Spider-Man could help me.
Not even Spider-Man can stop it, but he may stop us.
Yes, of course. Watch your head again. Here we go. Heads up. Whoa. Okay. I've been bamboozled. Oh no. The puns don't get any better, folks. Or keep going. Keep going. Ah. Oh. Uh-oh. There's another one of these. Oh, they're a little bit brighter. You can, let's see if I can zoom. Can I zoom in on the eyeballs? Will it focus on them? They actually are like actual eyeballs, like on the Haunted Mansion or something. It doesn't really put them in focus well enough, but you'll just have to trust me. There's like little black pupils in those eyes. Kind of creepy. Anyway, now we're, I guess, in the rainforest or something. It's like the old beginning of the Jungle Cruise at Magic Kingdom. Up now. I'm gonna go backwards for a little bit. There we go. Actually, do have monkeys here. This port has parrots and monkeys. That looks like an actual abandoned old building in the port, so that's kind of cool. I think the fort is in that direction too. Tanio Bay, I guess is the name of this. Oh man, there's like no current here. Like, what's going on? Oh! You can do it. I'm gonna give you a push. Good luck. Oh. Oh look, another emergency exit. I think that's when you give up.
Well, you know, emergency exit is pretty short discretion. Like, it is an emergency. I can see I need a fucking drink right now. That's an emergency.
Yeah,
It's an emergency.
I agree with that. All right, here we go.
It's to our discretion. What is that supposed to be?
Here we go. Yeah, I'm doing a 20-minute ride and it's been 11 minutes so far. Everybody's gonna bump everybody. Here we go. Shoving off into the wild blue yonder. Look, there's a giant map of the whole river. Evidently there's something fire. Oh, sorry. Bouncing. Oh, look, this has got to be the finale with the kind of Finding Nemo-ish fish, but not exactly. It's a more playful version of Nemo. Oh. It's raining. Cats and dogs. Keep going. Ah.